how to see all of your liked photos on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can see all of your liked photos on Instagram. So let's start. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up Instagram on your phone. This is my Instagram. And let's say I liked this picture right here. And now I have scrolled up and I cannot find that image again, or I want to check all of my liked photos. In order to do that, I will simply go to my profile. In my profile, I will simply click on these three lines and open up my menu. In menu, I will find the option of your activity. Simply click. Then we have all of these different options right here. Time spent, photos and videos, interaction. So I will simply go to interactions. In interactions, we have comments, likes, and story replies. If I go to likes, and I will be able to find all of my liked photos. And this is how you can simply check the photos that you have liked. Or you can simply unlike any picture if you want to. Or maybe now you can simply share it with your friends. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.